Welcome back, guys. So right now let's proceed to get a domain name. Now this is our Hostinger dashboard, but here in our Hostinger dashboard you see different things which you might not be familiar with, but they are basic. As you could see, this is home, this is website, this is domains, this horizons, which is for email marketing, and this is emails, this is email marketing, this is VPS billing. These are just basics. But now, all we want to do now is to get a domain name. If you want to get a domain name on Hostinger, you come to the domain section. Here in your domain section, you see domains that are active. And if you're to add a new domain name, what do? You click on add new domain right here. So when I click on add new domain, you could see if you have an existing domain, you can transfer to this particular Hostinger account, or you get a new domain. So let's say I want to get a new domain. This is a previous domain that I had. I could actually, it's still an active domain. It's not that I had it, like it's still active. I can always renew, manage all my domains from here. So I want to get a new domain right now. So I'm going to come to a new domain right here to get a new domain. But then before we proceed to get a new domain, the other domain name service provider, all you have to do is to come here. We have domain names. What are domain names? Domain names are like your address. Yes. So let's say Austin is the land you got. What is the address of the land you got? Like if you had to describe where the land is, won't you use an address to describe it? So if Austin happens to be your land, domain name would happen to be your address. So that's the basic thing about it. Is the address to your website. Yes, is the address that locates your website, that makes user locate your website. So you could see right here a simple definition of domain name is that domain names are human readable text used to identify locations on the internet. Like I said, domain names are like addresses to your house, to your home. So compared to your website, so domain names are addresses to your website. So if you were to get a domain name, there are different platforms you could get. Just the same way I mentioned, there are different hosting platforms, Namecheap, GoDaddy, same as domain names. The same platforms you can get hosting from, you can get domain names from as well, like Namecheap, DreamHost, Hostinger, Google Host, a lot of them. But since we are using Hostinger, I'll be using Hostinger to get a domain name, and I'm trying to get a domain name from an account as outside the hosting account. So this is another account outside the hosting account. So you could see how they all fit in together, how we can actually connect domain names to websites. So right now, let me find the domain name I want to get. So what I'll do now is to find the domain name first. We have different domain name extension. As you can see, we have the .com, we have the .net, we have the .io. These are called extensions, and these extensions they connote something. So .com means commercial, .net means network, and .org means organization. So we have different domain name extensions. So let's look for domain names or domain name extensions. So you could see different extensions we have. So I'll come to my AI mode to see the different domain name extensions we have. So as you could see, these are top level domain, is the part of your web address that follows the final dots. So we have .com. These extensions are crucial for online branding, helping users identify a site purpose or geographic location. The Internet Corporation for assigned names and numbers, which is ICANN, manages the system and divides all domain extensions into several categories. So we have the top level domain names. For instance, .com is a top level domain name, and as you could see, it's for commercial organizations. As you can see, it is now popular and widely used extension for all types of websites. .net, intended for networking companies and internet service providers. .org, .info for informational sites. .org, generally used by non-profit organizations and NGOs. So these are basic things, and we have country code top level domain names. You can see .cn, you can see .ng. .cn means China, .de means Germany, .ca means Canada. So if a website is based in Canada, like the users are meant to be Canadians, all you have to do is to get a country code top level domain names. And we have sponsored top level domain names as well. We have a whole lot of them that way. So right now, let's go ahead to get a domain name. So I want to search for a domain name right now. So let's say, let me search for legacy lead works. Yes. So I'm looking for the .com of this domain name. All I have to do, and choosing a domain name, all you have to do is to choose something that resonates with the brand, that can be attached to the brand. Yes, let's say you're having a Billard Creative Studio, you can make your domain name a billardcreative.com. Let's say you're having a longer name or like an NGO, you can shorten the names by taking each letter out of the names. Then if it's an NGO, you use .org. So that's the sense of a domain name. Used for a commercial website like e-commerce, or you could use .shop, you could use .com. Yeah, it depends. So if they were to be for a networking website or internet website, you use .net. So those are the basic extensions. And right now we have legacy lead works, and I want to search for that. So I'm going to search for legacy lead works, and as you can see, we have the .com right here. So this is legacyleadworks.com. So I'm going to add it to cart, and having to add it to cart right away, all I have to do is to continue right here. I'm going to continue right here. So what I want to do now is to come, I want to buy for 1 year, of course. So I'm buying for 1 year, and right here is saying I'm going to save $9.9 here, and all I have to do is to continue to check out. So this has a free domain privacy protection included. So all I have to do now is to continue to check out, and when I continue to check out, I'll be able to pay for this domain name. So to get a domain name is as easy as that. I could add a coupon code, I could do a whole lot of things right here, then complete my payment. So I have my payment method attached to this. All I did was to get a virtual card, and once you have those details put all together, I'll just complete my payment. So I'll just proceed to complete my payment right here. So right now I've chosen my payment method. All I have to do is to finish my registration right here. So I'm going to finish the registration right away, and this way is going to make the payment, and I'm going to have my domain name. So right here, the domain name legacyleadworks.com is officially yours. It's time to build your online success. So we have the domain name. So all I have to do is to continue, and you could try to use this Postinger to create your website right away. But let's go to the dashboard right now. So coming back to the dashboard right away, you're going to see my domains. So now I have legacy leadworks added to my domains. Once I come to my domains right here, I'll be able to see my domain portfolio. So there's a way you could manage your domain name, and I'll show you that setup. All you have to do is to come to manage, and here in manage you'll see you could migrate your domain name if you have to migrate your domain name. So you could do all these. You could create a one-page site in minutes. You could do a lot of things about your domain name, but here you get the details about your domain names. You get your name servers, you get all these things. You get your child name servers, you get your DNS history. So you get all these things easily. So this is your domain name basically, and that is how to get a domain name here on Hostinger. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.